Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Vocabulary from WWE SmackDown. Whatever you watch, whatever you listen, you can learn English from your favorite show. I love to watch WWE SmackDown. So many times I learn a lot of things from WWE SmackDown. So uh, it doesn't matter what you are watching, what you are listening. So it depends on you. If you like to watch WWE SmackDown, so you have to listen carefully what they are talking. If you consider what they are talking and what they are speaking, so you will understand easily. As a matter of fact, my first vocabulary is as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, ये सच बात है, cause I am taking vocabulary from WWE SmackDown. So let's see. My first vocabulary is, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Seriously, I'm not good at English, but I'm trying my best because I'm a learner. I'm not a teacher, okay? I'm not a teacher. I'm still learning. I learn every day. I learn every day. I learn a new thing every day. So that's Daniel Bryan. You look at the screen. He's Daniel Bryan. He's my favorite one. 6 September 2016, he said, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. So I like that sentence, and that is very good sentence you can use in daily routine. Don't get me wrong. मुझे गलत मत समझो. You can learn this sentence and use in your daily life. जब आप किसी को कहना चाहते हैं कि यार मुझे गलत मत समझो, या मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था, तो आप ये कह सकते हो, डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, मुझे गलत मत समझो. So I love Daniel Bryan, so that's the reason I share one sentence of Daniel Bryan. I learned from SmackDown. This sentence I learned from SmackDown. मैंने ये sentence SmackDown से सीखा है. So the second one is Dolph Ziggler. Dolph Ziggler. I don't know how to my pronunciation is not good. I know it, but I'm keep trying. I'm keep learning, and I'm improving my accent as well as our vocabulary as well as. So Dolph Ziggler. ये Dolph Ziggler. You've gotta be kidding. ये Dolph Ziggler का मतलब सेंटेंस था. इट्स अ वोकैबुलरी आल्सो. you've gotta be kidding. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. You can't be serious. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. क्योंकि जब टैग टीम मतलब ये जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको मैं भूल गया हूँ, बट यू कैन वॉच WWE SmackDown 6 September 2016. So you will see Dolph Ziggler said, you've gotta be kidding. What is the meaning of you've gotta be kidding? तुम मजाक कर रहे हो यार, ये वाकई में मजाक कर रहे हो. You are kidding. We say you are kidding, so but the actual word is you've gotta be kidding. You've gotta be kidding. Okay, तुम मजाक कर रहे हो. Because whatever I heard, because I don't have time to watch SmackDown or Raw, but last week I watched SmackDown. So whenever I watch, I learn something new from SmackDown. So you have to also learn something new from your favorite lesson, from your favorite show. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It should be it is a SmackDown, or it is a Raw, it is any other thing. And the Usos WWE SmackDown 6 September 2016. Check this out. They said check this out. One of them उनमें से एक ने कहा, check this out, we were tag team champion, we were tag team champion, हम tag team champion थे. So check this out, ये सुनो, ये देखो. तो किसी की अपनी तरफ तवज्जो दिलाने के लिए if you wanna say something to others, so you can say, check this out, listen to this, watch this, check this out. So it's a very good vocabulary. And this is also I heard in SmackDown 6 September 2016, because I don't watch whole show. I just watch only talking, so it's very hard to take out all sentence, all talking, and I cannot translate all the show in Urdu, okay, because I'm not good at English. Even I'm just trying my best. Whatever I learn, I just share with you. These three vocabulary, these three sentences I learned from SmackDown last week, so I have shared with you. These are good sentences, good vocabularies. Yeah, if you use in your daily life, you can improve your English by only 3 sentences, okay. Today, golden words of the day. Don't choose the one who is beautiful. उसे select ना करो, उसे choose ना करो. जो दुनिया में खूबसूरत है, जो दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, उसे ना देखो, उसे ना उठाओ, उसे अपनी पसंद ना बनाओ. To the world, जो दुनिया के लिए खूबसूरत है, दिखावे के लिए खूबसूरत है, उसे अपना ना बनाओ. But rather choose the one who makes your world beautiful. उसे अपनी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनाओ, जो तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत बनाए. उसे ना अपनी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनाओ जो खूबसूरत हो और तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत ना बनाए. So this is the best golden word I'm sharing with you. Don't choose the one who is beautiful to the world. उसे ना चूज़ करो, उसे ना देखो, या उसे अपनी ज़िंदगी का हम सफ़र ना बनाओ जो दुनिया के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो. But rather choose the one who makes your world beautiful. उसके बजाय उसको अपनी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनाओ, या उसको चूज़ करो, उसको लो जो तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत बना दे. One more thing, please don't call me, because I don't have time to talk with someone, because I do job. After that I teach at home. After that I make videos. Even I have to write the all lesson. Before recording this lesson, I have to write this one, so I don't have much time to talk. So please text on only WhatsApp. So okay, hope you enjoy. Allah Hafiz, take care, hasta la vista, ciao.